And the students in the classroom.
It's actually in learning
I guess no, you will not do it at home. Online.
it's a
Activity involve the systematic listing of answer. So I think the natural choice of heuristic will be the systematic listing. So first, the student will have to come up with a scheme. It means how they are going to print the scheme, how to do the listing. And then, you know, what do I mean? It means in this case, the one shown here will be the dinner and the day. So you combine two into one, so there are 4 options, right? So they have to choose a scheme first. Then once they have chosen the scheme, then what they need to do is just list items systematically, right? And then of course the other consideration is it must be complete also. Okay. Then we will also teach the student after they have decided, like in this case, then we think they will have to organize the options that they have obtained into a table. So the table will help them for easy referencing. Okay. So before we go into activity 2, so we completed activity 1. So before we go into the activity 2, we need to understand how the service charge and GST are calculated. And that's important for activity 2. So we shall do the understanding part, okay? Okay, we are going to learn how the thing is calculated. Yes? Sorry. Is number 1 lunch, second one?
This question, why must we use the heuristic way to do the systematic list and the table when we just take maybe 1 or 2 times?
Yes. Of course, this is a very simple problem, but I'm using to illustrate that it's very important to have a scheme, right? So, after you have come up with a scheme, then it's very important for the keyword is systematic. But of course, in this case, maybe the data is only 4 items. But even that, I think is able to be. I have looked at this scheme. I mean, even no matter how you arrange it, it still be systematic, right? Because there's only 2
Well, the
options.
question is, why must we have a systematic scheme when it's called a direct?
So, yes, it is quite direct. If for a very fast student, maybe they are able to look at the price list, right, and do a visual check. And then they are so-called eliminating the option, right? The first one, you work out, no, this was $71.60 out. Then the second one, because there are only 8 items. No, I'm trying to answer. Sorry, maybe you. Yeah. So I'm saying that you may want to use elimination method. There are 8 items. Then to eliminate one by one, right? But maybe there is a possibility, but the time and taken will be longer. Yes.
I agree with the question. Go and match with the meaning.
Oh, okay.
When the students and teachers are bound by MAE to teach heuristics, so even if the problem is simple, what we're trying to teach the children is the system, the mechanics of it.
But I think that there's one very important point. First, we must not confine to certain topic. This kind of method is cut across a lot of topics. So therefore, I think it's good because systematic listing, we always want to tell the people systematic and completeness is very important. Right? We always give this example. Say if I want to count how many of you here, if I don't have system, just 1, 2, 3. I can count 100 times. I'm still not sure whether I get it right. So, however, if I do it systematically, I only need 2 times or 3 times. If I get the same number, I know I'm right. So I think that's the point you want to put across. That is okay, regardless of any approach. If the student is more informed, I mean, more learned, then they can use even a more advanced method. Yeah, there's no problem.
This is algebra. Just to confirm what you just said, you could actually choose algebra and get to the answer, and that would be acceptable instead of model drawing, right?
Yes, you're right.
Yes.
You're right.
Exactly.
Yes,
Thanks.
that's
Now is another form of replacement.
78, 76. Then after that, you apply the 7% extension like just now on both terms, then you work out to $5.51. And then lastly, you add to add more free item up, the service charge, the GST plus the food item, then you get the total price. Okay, we are now ready for activity 2. Now, can I, you know the question, right? Will the total price change? That's the final number. Will the final number change if you revert the order of the calculation of the taxes? Okay, can I invite you to make a quick guess now? To make a guess and then input your response through the social learning one. Then we'll see what are some of the results. After the poll, then we will do the pen and paper calculation to verify whether it's true. Oh, I think now you may carry on to page 3. There is a blank space on page 3, and then you can do your working there. After you have done your working, we will take a snapshot of the working, and then we are going to post a snapshot on the wall. We will help you do it. If you are done, can you pull up again? We'll come to assist you to take a snapshot of your working and post to the wall. Post it to the wall.